could do, I could do better. I can do any, I can do any, I can do anything better than you.
And there's a little bit of product left in it, so what I'm going to do now is just rub it on my eyes and use it as like a primer of sorts. On my face already, I'm wearing my primer, my face from my Makeup Forever base nourishing primer. This is the white one. I'm not really a fan of it. I just use it because it's the one that I have on hand right now, and that's basically it. Then I'm going to take this wedge that I normally use to apply my baking, and there's a little powder, there's a lot of powder on it. I'm going to put that on there and then grab a blending brush and just blend it all over. Alright, good. So next I'm going in with a blending brush. Is my MAC 224, and I'm first going to go in with the color Naked. So the colors are listed at the back here on this silver thing, and then they're here. So I'm going to go in with Naked, and this is Naked right here. Okay, alright, so far so good. This color is actually coming up on me. I mean, not like dramatically, but you know, you can see there is, I have a little bit of color going on. So then I'm going in with my Shades by Gal contour palette, and I'm going to be going with this color, and I'm going to be going on my brow bone. So I'm using this to set my brow bone. Alright, then I'm going back in with the 224, and I'm going to be taking Almond, and Almond is this color here, and I'm going to put it right close to where Naked is. So I started by just dabbing a little bit in the crease, then taking the rest, blending my brow bone color from the Shades by Gal palette with Almond. So I'm going back in with Almond and just fusing those two there. Next I'm going to be taking more pointed blending brush, and I'm going to be going in with Brick, and this is Brick here. Alright, so far so good on the color payoff. And you have to remember, I am darker, so on somebody that is lighter than I am, these will come up like that, but for me, I'll have to work with it. So I'm doing like swirly motions here, then kind of the windshield wiper motions in my crease. And I keep on brushing off because when I put the brush in, like, I get fallout. Nice. Then I'm going to be going in with Burgundy, oh well, with the same pointed brush. Put it in my crease. You know, honestly guys, not bad at all. Where's my 227? This is the MAC 217, sorry. And I'm going to be taking Almond and just put it right here. Just tap twice and blending out. Really, honestly, not bad. I'm going to go back in with my 217, and I'm going to grab Brick again to deepen the crease. I like this look. It's very, it's not too much, it's just nice and natural. Alright, what am I going to put on my lid? So on my lid, I think I want to use, let me use Naked. Let me see what Naked swatch is like. So Naked swatch is like that. Do I want to use Naked? Okay, so I'm going to use Naked. But what I'm going to do is, this is the same brush that I used to do my brows. I'm going to just take whatever is on it and just apply it on my lid. So I tend to do this with my matte colors because I like when they come up vibrant, and because I'll be using Naked, suggesting that the color is not all the way bright. You know, if it was like a blue or something, or like a pink, a deep pink or something, I could probably get away with not putting like a base underneath it. But because this color is so named Naked, I'm just going to apply this on my lid. Alright, so then I'm going in with Naked. Alright, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. This is nice. This is nice. This palette is way better than the bronze palette. So much more like colors, and I think this color scheme is perfect for. You see, if I was just starting the company, I went to this color scheme, I would have given a way better review of this palette. This color scheme is gorgeous. It comes up on me nicely. It's not ashy. It's giving me the warmth that I want in my eyes. Very nice. I'm going to line my eyes with my Anchor black pencil. Then I'm going to go in with this brown pencil. Do I want to do this? You see, if I do this, it's going to be very eerily similar to the one I did with the Morphe palette. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Shades by Girl Medium Neutral concealer. Dab the brush I used to do my, did you hear that tongue pop? Dab the brush I used to do my brows, and the same brush I used to apply the what was left on my lid. Why am I doing this and this has no mirror? Then I'm going to be going in and doing one of those line thingies. So yeah, I'm going to be taking Dubai, putting that in my happy area. Ooh, ooh, Dubai is nice. Dubai is very nice. Dubai is gorgeous. Wow, Dubai is nice. And I'm going to go over that with Penny, just to tone down Dubai, because Dubai is pretty gold. Then what I'm going to do next is line my eyes with Burgundy here. Alright, so next I'm going to be going in with, I just used the Dubai, and I'm going to be placing it over the white I just placed, because as I was placing it I didn't like how it looked, but I'm like, you know what, I'm going to put this white over it and see, this gold over it and see what happens. Alright, so this is what we're looking like. Then I'm going to add some black, and this is Too Faced Sketch Marker You're So Too Faced Black Liquid Liner. So this is the one that came with the collection with Mickey Tutorials. So do you want to go on top or underneath, or... Then I'm going to go underneath as well. I'm just winging this in it, you guys. I think you guys know where I know. I'm just winging this and just trying to make this look bad. Alright, so I'm going to be using Orange Corrector, just from LA Girls. I really love this. And my face has broken out lately, and I'm just trying really hard just get it back in check. So I've been doing my creams, toothpaste. I switched out my face wash and stuff. So I have a lot of scarring. I have more scarring than I would want to have. So I'm just using a foundation brush just to blend this out. Then I'll be using my Mary Kay Time Wise foundation in bronze 6 all over my face, and I'll be highlighting with my black Opal Toast concealer. And I'm saying all of this because I'll be doing all of this off camera. Alright, so for my powders, I'll be setting my makeup with my Sacha powder, and I'll be baking with this as well. And for my all over face, I'll be using my black Opal Classic Espresso, and I'll be low lighting with my Shades by Gal medium neutral. Shades by Gal contour palette.
Captivity. No, I don't think that's liberty. So I need freedom, spiritually. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. Can't bother with the war and the crime. Can't bother you but mind me for mine. Can't bother every time when me try to step up in on the line, you pull me down as me climb. Can't bother with the seats and the lies. Me own a friend want me meet me demise. Can't bother when the gun them arise and people are dead, me can't sleep in my bed. Can't bother for you run from police. Can't bother with the war and no peace. Can't bother call me live out of east. Me can't go away from the wood and be a deceased. Can't bother for you live behind bars. Like me freedom the way behind bars. Me try to move forward, but it's like say me stuck in a traffic or me way behind cars.
Free I need, free I need, free I need to be, I need to be free, yeah. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be, I need to be free. They say that we are free, but I'm still searching for my freedom. It's not working. Although you see me smiling, I'm still hurting.
Insidious as blind inception. What's reality with all these questions? Feels like I missed my alarm and slept in. Broken legs, but I chase perfection. These walls are my blank expression. My mind is a home I'm trapped in, and it's lonely inside this mansion.